Hello boss, this is Derek from Make It World Auto Trading Company. Meet the 2025 BYD Seagull Smart Driving Edition. Revolutionary, efficient, and packed with smart tech. Here to redefine the urban mobility. This compact electric hatchback builds a bold aerodynamic design with the sharp LED headlights perfect for city driving. Set inside to this surprisingly roomy cabin with premium materials. A 12.8-inch touchscreen and smartphone connectivity, comfort meets cutting edge. Equipped with Level 2 autonomous driving, it offers lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emerging braking, making every drive safe and smoother. With a 305 km CLTC range and fast charging capability, you will spend less time charging and more time driving. Plus, zero emission mean a cleaner planet. Affordable, intelligent, and eco-friendly, the 2025 BYD Seagull Smart Driving Edition is your ultimate city vehicle. Ready to get one? We are Make It World, your most reliable trading partner in China. Make It World, set sail!